I will use SmartClick in EasyCam to apply toolpaths to this solid model. Then I will make changes in Alibre to be recalculated in EasyCam. We'll use the Alibre transfer, which is the best alternative to importing this file. Next, I'm going to create all 2D work steps. We'll start with our slot. Using SmartClick, I select one surface, and EasyCam joins all surfaces necessary to create our boundary. Now I'm going to create our counterbores and upper pocket. We'll use high-speed machining. We'll include our holes. With SmartClick active, I select one hole, and EasyCam finds all the holes of the same diameter, start height, and depth. Now for our chamfer. All remaining fields get populated based on our surface selection. We'll make our changes in Alibre. We'll create a center boss. The depth is going to be negative 0.25. And if we look at our boss, you can see that the holes are not extruded through. So we're going to move the hole extrusion just below our last creation. Next, I'm going to modify our chamfer. We'll change the size from 100 thousandths to 30 thousandths. And we'll transfer the model back into EasyCam. Recalculate our machining. And EasyCam automatically makes the adjustments. That completes this project.